My name is Manjusha. I study in 5th class. I read story. Story name is The Tub That Died. Tatachari was Ramalingadu's neighbor. Tatachari was a big miser and quite greedy too. One day Ramalingadu needed a tub, so he went to Tatachari's house to borrow one. I will charge a rent of 2 rupees per day. Is it okay with you? Asked Tatachari. Poor Ramalingadu had too angry. At the end of 4 days, Ramalingadu returned the tub. He borrowed bought a mug along with the tub. Your tub has given birth to a mug. Please take it, he said, giving the tub to Tatachari. Tatachari happily accepted the mug and took it inside without saying a word. A few days passed. Ramalingadu now borrowed the tub for a week. After a week, Ramalingadu went to Tatachari with empty hands. Tatachari, your tub is dead. Informant Ramalingadu with a sad face. How can a tub die? This is Sri Chaiting, Tatachari shouted in anger. When a tub can give birth to a mug, can it not die? Asked Ramalingadu. Tatachari say nothing.